Small apartment decorating ideas. Decorating a small apartment requires smart solutions to maximize space while maintaining style and comfort. The key is to create a functional and visually appealing home without making it feel cramped. Here are some effective decorating ideas. 1. Use multifunctional furniture. Choose furniture that serves multiple purposes to save space. A sofa bed, a storage ottoman, or a foldable dining table can make a small apartment more efficient. Wall-mounted desks and nesting tables also help maximize floor space. 2. Light colors. For an open feel. Lighter shades make a small space feel larger and airier. Opt for whites, soft grays, or pastels on walls and furniture to reflect light. Use pops of color in decor items like cushions, rugs, and artwork to add personality. 3. Maximize vertical space. Utilize walls for storage and decor. Floating shelves, wall-mounted racks, and hanging planters keep floors clear while adding visual interest. A tall bookshelf or cabinets reaching the ceiling provide extra storage without taking up much room. 4. Mirrors. For illusion of space. Mirrors reflect light and create the illusion of a bigger room. Place a large mirror opposite a window to enhance natural light. Mirrored furniture or decorative wall mirrors can add elegance while making the space feel more open. 5. Smart storage solutions. Keep clutter under control with hidden storage options. Beds with built-in drawers, hanging organizers, and stackable storage bins help maximize every inch of space. Use baskets and boxes to keep everyday items organized. 6. Compact and stylish lighting. Avoid bulky floor lamps and opt for wall-mounted or pendant lighting. String lights, sconces, and LED strip lights add ambience without taking up valuable space. Table lamps with sleek designs also work well in small apartments. 7. Foldable and stackable furniture. Choose furniture that can be folded or stacked when not in use. Folding chairs, drop-leaf tables, and stackable stools allow flexibility in small spaces, making it easier to adjust the layout as needed. 8. Cozy yet minimal decor. Keep decorations minimal to avoid a cluttered look. A few statement pieces like a stylish rug, framed artwork, or elegant vases add personality without overwhelming the space. Opt for multi-purpose decor like a stylish basket that doubles as storage. Conclusion. Decorating a small apartment requires creativity and smart use of space. With multifunctional furniture, vertical storage, and light colors, you can create a stylish and comfortable home that feels open and inviting.